Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cibber's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 JH Holden Cruze CD sedan, stock reference number 4716. This shape runs from the third month 2009 through to the first month 2017. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage. Right boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, right-hand tail light, right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.